Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best replacement spigot is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked components of your beverage dispenser. A worn-out or malfunctioning spigot can not only lead to messy spills and inconsistent pouring but also significantly impact the overall user experience and hygiene of your beverage dispensing system. This video will guide you through the process of selecting and installing the perfect replacement spigot, ensuring smooth, controlled pouring and extending the life of your beverage dispenser. Number 5. Cooler Faucet Water Tap Set. This tap is made of safe, durable plastic and silicone. It features a simple push-up design for hands-free pouring, perfect for everyone. Before installing, measure the opening to ensure it's the right fit. A simple measurement with a ruler or tape measure will prevent any issues. If you have your old faucet, compare its size and style to the new one. Check the height, base diameter, and spout length for a perfect match. For screw-in faucets, verify the thread size matches your existing setup. This ensures a secure and leak-proof installation. It fits various containers, water bottles, dispensers, coolers, and more. Carefully compare the dimensions in the picture before buying to ensure compatibility. What we like. It's made of safe, durable materials and is super easy to operate, making it perfect for families with kids or seniors. Its wide compatibility means it fits most dispensers. If you need a versatile, easy-to-use spigot that comes in various colors to match your style, this is the one for you. What people say. These are so easy to put on, they fit snug like they are supposed to. The quality is great and they function real good and look good too. The replacement cooler faucet water bottle jug dispenser tap set is a practical and efficient solution for those looking to replace or upgrade the spigot on their water dispensers. With its sturdy build, ease of installation, and reliable performance, this product proves to be a valuable addition to any home or office water cooler setup. The spigot set features a durable construction, made from high-quality food-grade plastic that feels robust and long-lasting. The materials used are BPA-free, ensuring that the water remains safe and uncontaminated. The spigot's design is simple yet effective, with a sleek, functional appearance that blends well with most water dispensers. Number 4. Ex-Chef Beverage Spigots. It's perfect for serving lemonade, iced tea, or even wine at your next gathering. This 2-pack ensures you'll always have a spare on hand. Made from premium stainless steel, it's durable, rust-resistant, and lead-free. Enjoy it for years to come with proper care. With a 5/8-inch or 16mm diameter opening, it fits most dispensers. Installation is quick and easy. It provides a consistent flow of your favorite drinks, and won't clog. Just rinse with clean water before first use. We're confident in our product. If you're not satisfied, contact us, we're here to help. What we like. This spigot is built to last a lifetime thanks to its premium stainless steel construction. You'll enjoy a steady, clog-free pour every time. If you're looking for a long-lasting, high-quality spigot that provides a consistent flow, then this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. It looks so much better and I feel better. It is very well made, and installation was easy, and the provided seals prevent leaks. Nice upgrade. Great flow, no leaks and looks great on our water filter. The rubber washer is also thick and of high quality. I highly recommend this spout. Number 3. Beverage Dispenser Spout. This replacement spout is made of high-quality, food-grade plastics, ensuring safety and durability for all your beverage needs. It's the perfect solution for upgrading your dispenser and enhancing its functionality. Its fashionable design complements any setting, from casual family gatherings to elegant parties. It's designed for easy use and effortless dispensing. It fits most beverage dispensers with a 16mm or 5/8-inch opening and a wall thickness no greater than 17mm or 11/16-inch. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of dispensers. Installation is a breeze. Simply place the silicone pad in the opening, insert it, and secure the nut. You'll be enjoying refreshing drinks in minutes. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. With its easy installation, stylish design, and reliable performance, this replacement spout will enhance your beverage dispensing experience. Enjoy. What we like. Made from food-safe plastic, it's both safe and attractive. Installation is a breeze, simply follow the 3 easy steps. If you value a stylish, easy-to-install spigot made from safe materials, this is perfect for you. What people say. A spout is not something you want to spend time worrying about. Since I bought this one, it has worked perfectly without fail and has a nice flow. Easy to install, doesn't leak or drip and pours nicely. It's way better than the original one that I replaced. Purchased these replacement spigots when mine broke. Was very easy to replace, fit perfectly and worked great. Number 2. MOLIGOU dispenser spigots. These spigots are a perfect replacement for your old, leaky ones. They're made of durable stainless steel for long-lasting use. It's constructed from high-quality 304 stainless steel. This ensures it's resistant to corrosion and lead-free for safe dispensing. Designed to fit 5 8-inch openings with a wall thickness up to 11 16-inch. Installation is a breeze, no tools are needed, although a wrench might help. Enjoy a smooth, steady flow of your favorite beverages. The built-in filter prevents clogging for uninterrupted pouring. They're ideal for water dispensers, beverage dispensers, or even glass jars. It will give your containers a nice, updated look. Get the most out of your beverage dispenser with these reliable and stylish replacements. They're built to last. What we like. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it offers a quick, leak-free pour. Installation is simple and requires no tools. If you prioritize a durable, fast-flowing spigot that's easy to install, this is the one for you. What people say. The installation process was simple and straightforward. The spigot comes with everything you need, including clear instructions and a rubber gasket to ensure a tight seal. The stainless steel construction feels durable and looks great, making it a perfect match for any glass jug. One of the best features of this spigot is the smooth flow of liquid. It provides a consistent and controlled pour, without any dripping or leaking. Number 1. GwenB dispenser spigot. Give your beverage dispenser a fresh look and feel with this stylish replacement spigot. It's easy to install and built to last. Made from food-grade plastic, it ensures your drinks remain safe and free from harmful chemicals. Enjoy peace of mind with every sip. Installation is a breeze. It fits standard openings and comes with all the necessary hardware for a quick and easy setup. This spigot complements any beverage dispenser, adding a touch of elegance to your home or party. It's perfect for both traditional and self-serve dispensers. Get 2 spigots in one package. Replace one, or use them on 2 dispensers simultaneously. It's convenient and cost-effective. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions, we'll respond promptly and help you within 24 hours. What we like. Made entirely from food-safe plastic, it's both safe and aesthetically pleasing. The 2-pack allows for easy replacement or use on multiple dispensers. If you want a stylish, safe, and convenient 2-pack of spigots, this is a great option. What people say. This fit perfect in my ceramic water canister. Super easy to install, and a great value for a set of 4. A faster capacity than the originals. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.